Welcome to today's meditation session. I am Jordi, and today we will explore the power of connecting with the universe through meditation. Imagine the universe as an invisible energy network, where all our thoughts and emotions emit vibrations that affect the world around us. By understanding how our thoughts and emotions interact with the universe, we can use this knowledge to create the reality we desire. Today, we'll delve into the law of assumption, a powerful tool that helps turn your thoughts and emotions into reality. Before we begin, take a moment to write down what you wish the universe to bring you. This will help focus your mind and highlight your intention throughout this meditation session. Begin by closing your eyes and focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the fresh air fill your lungs and spread throughout your body. Hold your breath for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing all tension. Repeat this cycle several times, allowing each breath to bring you into a deeper state of relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine that with each inhale, you are absorbing positive energy from the universe. Feel this energy moving through your body, from head to toe, dissolving all tension and worries. Each exhale releases negative emotions, leaving you with a sense of peace and tranquility. Now imagine a soft golden thread emerging from your heart, extending to the center of the universe. This thread represents your direct connection to the boundless energy of the universe. As you become aware of this golden thread, focus on your intention. Visualize your deepest desire, traveling along this golden thread to the heart of the universe. Feel the strength of this connection as the universe receives and responds to your intention with love and power. Now that you are deeply connected with the universe through this golden thread from your heart, allow yourself to be immersed in positive emotions. Imagine that your wish, the intention you sent, has already been fulfilled by the universe. Feel the joy and deep gratitude filling your body and mind as you see your desire realized. This certainty that what you long for has become a reality brings peace and satisfaction. Now, focus on the law of assumption, a powerful tool that helps you create the reality you want. Affirm to yourself that your intention has become a reality. Imagine every detail of your desire as if it is happening right now. You can see, hear, and feel everything related to your intention. Let the happiness and joy of achieving your desire seep into every cell of your body. Feel the strong belief that the universe is truly bringing this to fruition for you. To reinforce this belief, repeat positive affirmations. Each time you speak, feel each word as an undeniable truth. You can silently or aloud say affirmations like, "The universe always works in my favor. My intentions manifest easily and quickly. I am perfectly in tune with the energy of the universe." Let each affirmation become a rhythm that aligns with your heart, strengthening your connection with the universe. Feel this belief growing within you, like a steady but powerful flame ready to light your path. With each affirmation, you are nurturing the connection with the universe, strengthening your belief in the manifestation of your intention. Now, allow yourself to completely relax and trust in the universe's process. Gently release all worries, no longer needing to control or impose your intention. Trust that the universe has received it and is working to make it a reality. Remember, this process unfolds naturally, and all you need to do is trust and let the universe guide you. Imagine your intention as a small boat drifting peacefully on the river of the universe's energy. You don't need to steer or direct it. Simply let go and allow the boat to float with the natural current. This river will take you exactly where you need to be at the right time. Feel the lightness and peace as you surrender to this flow. Now, prepare for sleep by fully relaxing your body. Gradually feel the relaxation spreading from your head to your toes. Each breath takes you into a deeper state of calm, bringing peace and security into your sleep. Know that while you sleep, the universe continues to work, nurturing and growing your intention. As we conclude this meditation, I, Jordi, thank you for joining. Take this feeling into your sleep, knowing that your intention will continue to work while you rest. May you have a peaceful night, filled with beautiful dreams and the universe's protection.